Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly Linux news, 15th April 2018. And we start this week with some major news from Enterprise Linux, as Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.5 was released. The world's leading provider of open source solutions today announced the general availability of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.5, the latest version of the world's leading enterprise Linux platform. Serving as a consistent foundation for hybrid cloud environments, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.5 provides enhanced security and compliance controls, tools to reduce storage costs, and improved usability, as well as further integration with Microsoft Windows infrastructure, both on-premise and in Microsoft Azure. Well, I also read the deprecation notes, and Python 2 is finally being deprecated, and crucially, on the next release of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, it should be replaced by Python 3. Next up, Wine 3.6 released. Well, this is a development release of Wine, and it's mostly a release about bug fixes. Nevertheless, here's what's new. Support for PNG format icons, support for 1D textures, more infrastructure for high DPI support, OLE data cache improvements, and of course various bug fixes that you can see here. And for those that, like me, enjoy the command line, there's some good news. tmux 2.7 released. Well, I'll quickly go through some of the new features or improvements that I considered most important in this release. Fixed for hooks at server exit. Expand formats in window and session names. Add Z flag to choose tree, choose client, choose buffer to automatically zoom the pane when the mode is entered and unzoom when it exits. Add Ctrl-G to exit modes with Emacs keys. This could be quite handy for some users. Performance improvements for reflow. Support for ISO colon-separated SGR sequences. Fix kind term info capability to be S down, not S up. Add a box around the preview label in tree mode. And correctly use pane base index in tree mode. And closing this week in the weekly Linux news, some news about a popular graphics editor, Krita 4.0.1 released. And let's go through some of the major UI changes. Make the triangles larger on the categorized list view so they are more visible. Remove the Docker title bar lock and collapse buttons. Improve the layout of the palette Docker. Fix canvas lookup when using guides at the top of the image. Fix shifting the pen position after using the pop-up widget rotation circle, and fix hide map to normal map in wraparound. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to watch more news or reviews, click the button below to subscribe to my channel. As always, use Linux long and prosper.